They say ancient civilizations barely had wheels. So how did they manage to cut massive stones with machine-like precision, move them across miles of rugged terrain, and fit them together so perfectly you couldn't even slide a hair between them? Welcome to Puma Punku, one of the most mind-bending sites on Earth. Hidden high in the Bolivian Andes, at nearly 13,000 feet above sea level, lies a crumbling stone complex that has puzzled archaeologists, engineers, and conspiracy theorists for decades. This place doesn't just challenge what we know about ancient civilizations. It basically grabs your history textbook, rips it in half, and says, "Try again, buddy." Puma Punku is believed to have been built by the Tiwanaku civilization, around 500 to 600 AD. But here's the kicker. The stones used in its construction aren't just huge. Some weigh over 100 tons. And yet they were somehow carved with laser level of precision, in a time before iron tools, let alone diamond saws or power drills. Some blocks have perfectly cut 90-degree angles, smooth drill-like boreholes, and interlocking shapes that resemble industrial design more than ancient stonework. And yes, some pieces literally look like ancient Legos. Let's talk transportation for a second. There are no trees nearby, no wheels, and no elephants. The quarry? Over 50 miles away. So, did the Tiwanaku invent anti-gravity? Or did they just have an ancient Uber XL we never heard about? Okay, maybe not that, but the logistics still make zero sense by our modern standards. Naturally, the internet did what the internet does: cue the aliens. Some believe extraterrestrial visitors helped humans construct Puma Punku. It's even featured on Ancient Aliens. Others think it's evidence of a lost advanced human civilization, one that predates Egypt, Sumer, even Atlantis. But archaeologists argue it's more likely a case of ancient ingenuity and clever engineering. They may have used abrasive sand, copper tools, and lots of manpower, and maybe some techniques we just haven't rediscovered yet. But still, even modern stonemasons admit some of these cuts would be hard to replicate today. The site was deliberately destroyed centuries ago, likely by the Spanish during colonization. What remains are scattered pieces, like a massive 3D jigsaw puzzle, half finished and lost to time. Some archaeologists believe the layout was astronomical, perhaps aligned with solstices or stars. Others think it was a spiritual gateway, the door of the Puma, linking heaven and earth. So what do you think? Was Puma Punku built by brilliant engineers with forgotten tech? Or are we just underestimating what ancient people were capable of? Again, one thing's for sure, the mystery isn't going away. In fact, the more we learn, the weirder it gets. Hit that like button if your brain's doing backflips right now. And don't forget to subscribe to Mentifacta, where history, the brain, and space get weird, wonderful, and just a little bit wilder every week.